I think what we'll do, we'll start off with some hails. I got Drew Anderson. If you don't, this is Drew. Drew's on his second tour at 7 Years Met. A little bit about Drew. He's on his second tour. He's the only one who actually knows NSW ball. So I think when it comes to talent, both the gentlemen shaking their heads are from the tactical formations. It really helped us out.
You're good. You're on camera, so don't look like a bitch.
Didn't know that I was dangerous. It must be fate, I found a place for us. I bet you didn't know that I was dangerous.
Totally cheated. Ready? Yeah. Oh my God.
How could they know? How could they know what I've been thinking? Like they're right inside my head.
The same thing I did.
Mike, what did you do here?
What did I do here?
You can reach your left arm.
Now's not a good time to talk, Jake. Yeah, just do that. Pull up.
Piece of wood. You can get that wood with your
Because they know what I've been hiding. They're right under my bed, they're a patrol. Here they come, yeah, here they come. Out of the shadows to take me to the coffee.
No earlier than 9, I'm in.
You can do it. Can I? You got it.
I just don't know. 40. No way.
What's up? 38. Oh!
These are not monkey bars. This is a monkey bar.
Yeah, you can't do that. Your arms are long, but not that long.
When I was younger, I loved monkey bars.
You got it.
Cause they know, gotta shut this down. Cause they've been watching all my windows. They gather up a warrant cause they know. Gotta get out.
like a 12-foot gap.